Exactly today. I'll show you how to build Mr. Snail's Sonic Boom car. You can fly it, and it has special engines in the back. Okay, that's how I build Mr. Snail for a quick peek. You get 2 controllers, one by one plate. Get this, and then get a 3x3 plate. First put these 2 controllers on the blue plate. Put this like this. Keep that. Make sure if you want to, you can keep the eyes up. You can do it however you want. And I'm building Mr. Snail a different way. Put this back, and if you want to make him go super speed, there you go. Okay, this is just going to help me today. Okay, get this 8x8 plate. This big 8x8 plate. Okay, then get this window, put it all the way on the side of the car. Then get an orange plate, put it beside this right here. Then get the gray plate, put it right up before you get to this last plate in the front plate. Put the yellow 1x1 plate, 1x1 like tower thing. Then you'll need to get the seat. It's yellow. It's got 2 dots in the middle, and you put this right. You put that right there, and there's supposed to be 3 spaces there so Mr. Snail can sit. Okay, then you'll need another yellow, same, and then get a red. Then get a 4x4 red plate. Then get a black 2x2 plate. Get 2 of these. Get one of that. One of those, and get like a 4x4 thing. Get a little like seat from like Lego Cops, and then put this off. Okay, this is how you build it. Put the red on this side, put the yellow on this side, put this on this. These 2 go right here. This goes back here. This will go, I'm going to put that there instead. Then we're going to put this right here, which you might want to, if you want to, you can put this here, put this right here, put these 2 right here, put this on here. Make sure the red is on these or it won't work. Put this like this. Then we'll need a 4x4 yellow. We'll need 3 of those. And then we'll need a 6x6 gray ones. We'll need 2 of those. Put this on the yellow. Make sure it's facing backwards or however, but make sure this is facing that way. Then put this. Almost forgot that. Put that there. Put this one right onto this kind of plate, and then put 5 of those onto one of these wheels. Put these plates onto this wheel. Make sure the front wheel is working. Make sure the front wheel is right in the front. And make sure the back wheel is right there. Make sure it's working. Test it out and dry the brakes. Okay. You can staple it with glue if you want. This, Mr. Snail, would go right here. It would go on the plate. And then there you have it. Sonic Boom car from Mr. Snail.